Hello everybody, welcome back to Shiny Shopping Saga. So right now we are getting ready to walk inside of Christmas tree shops. But right before I walked in, I saw that they had these like Easter egg picks. These are $6.99. And back here they have the bunnies. I see them in blue and pink. Also see that one and this one. They also have some of the welcome signs with the trucks and the butterflies. These are also, no, these are $2.29. They have a lot to choose from, but let's make our way inside. So they have so many different Easter decor over here. So starting over here, they have the little tea light candle holders. These are $4.99. They have those. They have the cute little knick-knack Easter bunnies, $3.99. I see pink and blue. These cute little Easter baskets, they are $1.69. I see yellow, green, pink. The cute little bunnies outside of the little mini baskets. These are $1.69. Some cute little Easter baskets. Oh, these are too cute. The little happy Easters with the glittery at the top for $3.99. Happy Easter, the teal, and then the pink. This cute little basket here for $3.99. They have this Easter wreath shaped like a bunny. These are $9.99. Oh, they always have good prices on them too. And I have the cute little Easter headbands and hanging decoration. These are $1. Right here, these. The big bows are $9.99 with the cute eggs on the outside of them. Some really cute wreaths. This is $24.99 for this one. I have the red one. It says marked down. It was $19.99, marked down to $12.98. I have it there in the white, the multicolors. Well, this is really pretty. The sticks over here, the bushel sticks, these are $2.99. The different color little cotton wreath is $19.99. This Easter egg is $19.99. Really pretty. Let's work our way back over to the main Easter section. Got Riley here chilling in the basket. Right, Riley? Oop. These cute. These are $14.99. And these right here, these are $16.99. They have them in the teal with the flat back, the teal and the pink with the polka dots. Oh, they have so many different ones over there that are so cute. Right here, this sign says Happy Easter. The cute Easter bunny wearing his glasses. Wait, I don't see the price on it for him. Okay, $7.99 for that. And right here they have them down here. And it is $9.99 for that one. The cute little candle holders. It's really cute. So these are $5.99. There's candle holders, baby. And these say Happy Easter, $5.99. And they have it here with the bunny holding the truck. Yes. What's that? Okay. The little single ones, these are $2.49. They have it in blue, Happy Easter, pink. Right here in the pearl, the smaller candle holders. These are $3.99. Oh, they do. They light up. Pull tap to activate. Okay, so I see yellow, white, and pink. And these are $5.99. These are $3.99. You can see the silhouette. Blue, pink, green. The smaller one in the little trucks. And they have the smaller versions. These are $1.99. Right here, these light up for $5.99. It's 2 in a pack. The carrot It says Carrot Patch. These also light up. These are $11.99. And then they have them even bigger for $7.99. Happy Easter. And then with the truck. And a bunch of these little eggs. These are $3.99. So right here, this cute sign is a cat, dog, and a bunny. It says Easter greetings. And this one is $4.99. Right here they have it again. Happy Easter for $4.99.
Mommy, you forgot the cat.
Okay. And right here, this one says Happy Easter. I did tell them. I told them a cat, dog, bunny. They have the sign in blue, green, and pink. And that pink right here, these say welcome. They have them in blue and pink. And these are $4.99. Right here it says, oh, happy day. Looks like a tag with a little handle at the top of it. That's cute. This one is $5.99. The little Happy Easter sign with the bunny on it. This one is $1.99. Oh, I like this one. Rabbit hole for $3.99. Keep calm and happily on. Hoppity on. This one says, wish you a crackin' Easter.
Happily.
Hoppity on. Hoppity. This one says, some bunny loves you. And right here, without dropping everything, the purple one says, keep calm and hoppity on. Okay, that's it. Better in purple. Those are $4.99. Treats and sweets for my peeps. That's cute. And right here, it's like a wreath kind of decor. This one is, let's see, $19.99 for that one. Easter wishes right here. $3.99 for that one. This one, welcome sign, $3.99. Right here, this one says Happy Easter for $7.99. The cute little hats right here, Happy Easter. I see blue and white. These are $4.99. Right here, these signs say Happy Easter. I see pink and blue. These are $3.99. Right here, this sign is $4.99. Right here, these say welcome with the carrots. These are $4.99. Oh, I like this one. The pink one with the blue bird at the top. And right here, this one is $4.99. That cute little pink glittery design in the corner. This one is cute. The two bunnies wearing the sunglasses. One has like a glittery effect. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's $4.99 for this one. And right here, this one says welcome, like 3D. Oh no, it doesn't go there. That's why I look 3D. Okay, this one says Happy Easter. And this one.
Mommy, Mom.
Yes,
Mom,
baby.
I hear something.
Okay. Oh, that's wind chimes. This one actually says welcome and Happy Easter. These are, let's see, $3.99 for those. The cute little bunny ear. This one is $3.99. Right here, these little guys are $3.99. Oh, that's a cute. The pig. What is this? Another pig with the Easter headband. The bunny, $6.99, wearing a little cute hat. These guys here are $4.99. See them in the whites and the brown. Oh, look at him. He's laying down. He's just chilling. It's cute, right? And this one is $14.99. And down here, these are $14.99. And then he's standing. $14.99. And then right here, this one is too cute, holding the little bunny. This one is $24, and they have a different one back there. Oh, look at the little lambs. These are $5.99. $5.99 for that one. So right here, this one says Easter with the bunny ear sticking out of it for $7.99. Oh, these are cute little basket material, and they're heavy too. These are, I see the white and the pink bow. These are $5.99. These little ladies and this guy here, they are $6.99. This one here is $7.99. Easter Joy, $2.99. The best is yet to come. Easter Joy. He is risen. This is pretty. $3.99 for this one. Bless Our Home. And then they have these cute little Easter eggs glittering. I see the pink ribbon and the blue ribbon. These are $3.99. The Easter bunnies on the bike for $6.99. Oh, these are cute. These are kind of like the sign. These are $2.99. The Easter Decor. These are $3.99. And then this one right here says Happy Easter. It's cute. $2.99. The little guy standing outside of the eggs. These are $1.99. Oh, these are really cute down here. I see yellow, gray, pink, and green, and like the white. This one is cracked. These are like the crackle look, $5.99. And they have this one. I only see one of these unless I pass it up. It says the hunt is on. The little butts for $1.99. And the little chicks. Oh, they have it in a smaller version. The smaller versions are $1.99. And these little bunnies here are $5.99. And I skipped over these, but these are cute. Little candle holders. And they light up. Okay, and they have little tea lights in them. That's too cute. These are $8.99. They have these cute little flags for $6.99. It's a Happy Easter. And this one here says Welcome Spring. And this one back here says Happy Easter. They have these cute little cups over here for $3.29. These are $3.99. I like this one. And they also have it in the blue with the bunny with the glasses. The cute little plates. The bunny. Then they have one with the pink. These are $2.49. Cute little towels. Oh, I want to dance with somebody who loves me. $1.99. Happy Easter, happy spring, happy everything. The cute little tablecloths. One of these are $10.99. This one is $12.99. The drying mats, $3.99 for those. They also have this print. Cute table runner for $10.99. The bunnies. This one is $9.99. This one is $9.99. More table runners, $10.99, $9.99. Oh, really cute, the little placemats. This one is really pretty, $2.99. They have some dish towels, $1.99 for those. Happy Easter. You are a good egg. Be blessed. This one. This one has a little chick at the top. Oh, side towel. And a bunny. These are $2.99. Some more of the little dish towels. Placemat holders, and they have more plates over here. But it's like a wall blocking me, so I can't really get too much into it. These are cute. $2.99. They also have it there in yellow. These little bunny prints outside of these cups are really pretty. They're $3.99. The little saucer plates. Follow the bunny. It has chocolate. 79¢. What's on this one? The cross. What's on this one? Trying to see if I can get all of the little ones they have. This one has the teal brim. It's a little Easter bunny inside. Some more plates with the bunnies. The smaller plates are $3.99, and then they also have them larger. They have these. This plate belongs to everyone, wherever it may go. With each sharing of its gifts, the love and the blessings grow. So lift it up and pass it on. Family and friends to start circle or more time. Love journey. I know I butchered that up. Couldn't really get to it. Love never ends. Love's journey never ends. Okay. $4.99. Oh, these are really cute. These are $3.99. And then they also have these here for $4.99. Let's see, are these the same? Yeah. And then they have these little bowls, these little prints. These, oh, they have little bunnies inside. Let's stick it out. And these little plates, I see blue, yellow, and pink. And these are $3.49. See the yellow. And pink. I totally skipped over these. These are so pretty. I'd have been mad at myself if I had got home and realized I didn't tell you guys the price of these. But these are $16.99. They're really pretty, and they light up. And they also have a different version. So they have that one with that top, and they also have this one with this top and this outside. And so they have all kinds of sorts of cute little picks over here. It's 5 in a pack, and these are $1. And they have the eggs also. And then right here they have some cute pillows. It says Happy Easter. They have this one with the bunnies on it. This one, this is the same one, yeah. And all of these pillows are $10.99. And right here, Happy Easter. The eggs at the bottom. Happy Easter. And these are cute, the little floral ones here. Looks like this on the front. And has a different print on the back. Some more down here. The bunny on the top of it. And let's see, they have any more? Yeah, no. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed what they have inside of the Christmas tree shops. I don't know if I said that in the beginning of the video, but we were in the Christmas tree shops. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. And I hope to see you guys in the next upload.